How to know if someone is online on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will get to know if someone is online on Discord. So for that, all you have to do is just check the person that you are talking to on Discord or the members of the group in any particular channel or server to see their current status. So for example, I'm just gonna open this particular channel or server right here, and on the right hand side you can see these people who are part of this particular channel or the server. There are icons right below their profiles. So as you can see, they are red, green, they are moon shapes, they are different kind of icon, or the color mark has been there. So if you click on the red icon, you can see that it is a do not disturb sign, meaning that the person has put their phone on DND, so you can't really message them or access them or reach out to them as of now. And if you see this green icon, it says that this person is currently online. And if you see this moon icon, you will see that this person is idle, or maybe he or she just has left their phone somewhere and not online on Discord as of now. So this is how you will be able to get to know if someone is online on Discord or not. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.